How's it going, Finovate? My name is Nickolas, Belesis, VP of Growth at FinTech Insights by Scientia. Today, we're going to show you FinTech Insights, the premier competitive analysis tool for banks and fintechs. All the data you need to outsmart your competition in one powerful, easy-to-use platform. We've already empowered digital banking teams across the globe at institutions such as US Bank, America First Credit Union, Backbase, Q2, and many more. Konstantinos? Users of FinTech Insights are able to see exactly where they stand in the digital banking landscape in terms of the total features offered, how this is offered through their digital channels, and as well as how their user experience stacks up against the greater marketplace. All of this data facilitates banks and fintechs to go to market up to 60% faster with their digital banking products, all while avoiding reinventing the wheel and eliminating trial and error. Let's uncover together exactly how a user of FinTech Insights might be able to accomplish this. So, for our demonstration, I'm going to play the role of a product owner at PenFed Credit Union. So, we have our dashboard set up here, and we have PenFed stacked up against the US high street bank market. Now, as PenFed, I can see with ease my two primary channels, web and mobile. And we can see exactly how we stack up in terms of total functionalities. But let's take it one step further down. I can see here the commonalities I share with the US high street market, there in the black, and what the US high street market offers over me in terms of functions. Now, let's click into any given category here. Let's take money transfers, for example. Each and every single one of these features is a function that PenFed does not support. Everything we're looking at here is an opportunity. I can see for any given function the total amount of other financial institutions who are also supporting this. So let's take, for example, transfers to another domestic account in a local currency. So as I click in, I can see all of the other individuals in the high street banks who also support this particular feature. I can also see here on the right, outside of this market I've created for myself, the rest of the players in the world who also support this particular function. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at Bank of America. So when we select Bank of America, we can see very quickly the live implementation behind the login screen captured by one of our FinTech Insights analysts. And any video that we see here is going to be the latest up-to-date version as we're updating our platform on a weekly basis. So, I've very quickly identified gaps in the marketplace and a list of competitors who support this function where I don't support it. Now, we can go a step further and move on to the UX analysis page. Here, we're able to see individual UX breakdowns, outlining each and every step the user has to take to complete this money transfer. We can see here, again, the video, and if we take it a step further down, our matrix outlining each and every step of the way that the user might have to take to be able to complete this transaction. We've created an objective scoring method in our UX labs, and we've assigned penalty points based on the specific type of actions that the users are taking. And we can see here every time there's a click, -20, omit, -5, and so on. This allows for objective comparisons across the board. Now, I've seen all of the obstacles that my competitors have faced and how they've overcome common challenges. And visually, I can see how they've implemented this. Now that we have an understanding of where our points of parity are and points of differentiation, let's focus on a new feature that I'm looking to build and implement. We can go to Edit Card PIN, for example. How's that sound? So, we'll go back to our dashboard, and we can go up to the search page. Give it a sec. And we go to our search bar, and we can type in PIN. So as I type in PIN, we're going to see a whole list of functionalities across the web and the mobile that have to do with PIN interactions. So if we go down to the mobile side, we can go ahead and find the function for Edit Card PIN. Now, as I hit Edit Card PIN, we can see here every single financial institution that also supports this. And we can scroll down and see some of those individuals But let's say I want to understand who does this the best. If I go to the top, I could sort ascending, descending, and I can also sort by the best UX implementation. Now, let's say I really enjoy Acorn's journey, and I want to take a look a little further. I click in, and simply, I can add this to my favorites. I can share this with a colleague. Thanks, Konstantinos. And I can even add this to my product roadmap, which is accessible to my entire organization. There it is, and we can click in and see that product roadmap. So we've identified what's missing from our digital banking offerings, and from what we are missing, what we want to prioritize to build. Next, we found out who offers any given feature and who does it the best. And now our whole organization is on the same page, all in under 7 minutes. How long would it take you and your teams to uncover this sort of information? Provide your organization with an objective source of truth. Iterate and implement your features 60% faster, all while eliminating trial and error. Come by our booth and scan our QR code to grant you and your entire organization full access to FinTech Insights for 1 week. Thank you, Finovate.